Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 28 septembre and today we took our quiz on classroom objects and classroom school supplies. So I'll just take you through one step at a time what we did. So here is my web page. I'm going to go to French 2 to Pre-AP Notes and Activities. Scrolling down, I'm going to go to this week's warm-ups, and the first thing that we did was we did our free write, where you looked at this picture right here. You spent 5 minutes writing about it. I timed you. It went on page 31 of your notebook, page 31. So we were done with that. Then I passed out the quiz. We took the quiz, and then the rest of the time was basically time for them to do whatever they wanted to do, as long as it was, normal stuff. Anyway, so that's all we did today. Yesterday, we did review for the quiz, and we played Quizlet Live. So the last couple of days were nothing significant as far as any work. I am conducting notebook checks for this week. So what you should have in your notebook is, let me go to, where did I put it? Notebook check, notebook check. I don't think I added it yet. So I'm just going to go to here on what you should have in your interactive notebook. So the grade that I took today had to do with, if you go to page 25, whoops, back up. Okay, page 25 is where we put our school supplies, and so I checked for that. That was worth 25 points. If you had all of the blanks filled in and it was glued in on the right page, you got 25 points. For every blank you didn't have filled in was -1. So I took a grade on that. Then the second thing I checked for was page 27 to see that you had your avoir notes glued in, taped in onto page 27. That was 25 points. Then I went to skip this, that was pre-AP. And then our warm-ups for this week were to be on page 30. And I checked to make sure that they were also filled in. And it was worth 20 points, 5 points for each day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then on page 31 was the writing activity for this week, which came from the September 28th, today's warm-up, and which goes back to this picture right here. So that went on page 31. So I did the notebook check. That's what I expected in this week's notebook check. And this writing here was worth 30 points. So that was all that we did today. Even in pre-AP, that's all that we did today. Bonne journée et bon week-end. Au revoir.